Today we're talking about one of the 7 elements of art, and that is shape. So what is a shape? A shape is a flat closed area made when lines meet. Shapes are two-dimensional. That means they have height and width but not depth. There are 2 main kinds of shapes. Geometric shapes. These are regular and easy to recognise, like circles, squares, triangles and rectangles. Organic shapes. These are irregular and natural, like the shape of leaves, clouds, animals or splashes. Artists use shapes to build pictures, create designs and show ideas. By changing the size, direction or arrangement of shapes, they can make artwork look balanced, busy, calm or exciting.